Hello again from OGS Mechanics Workshop, another day, another job, and this is another interesting one. We try to film quite interesting jobs whereby we can show some useful information and tips. This is the Proace in here, came with the parking sensor issues, and what was very interesting, we tried to diagnose the parking sensor and they weren't assisted on the diagnostic tool. Now, this particular car, it has a self-diagnostic system on it, built into it, which means you can understand yourself which particular sensor is faulty and look exactly what's the situation and the way it works. So we currently have disconnected the sensor from the middle of the bumper, the sensor number 2 and number 3. Just for the argument's sake, on our car, those they have to be replaced. And how would you understand which one are faulty? Simple. So you get to the car, switch on the ignition, select the reverse, and then you wait for the beep. First of all, you're going to hear a long beep for about 5 seconds or so, and afterwards you're going to hear a number of beeps. For each sensor, for each defective sensor, there's a beep, a number of beeps. So for number 1, which is the one on the far left, is 1 beep. For the one in the middle, 2 beeps. 3 beeps for the third one, and 4 beeps for the very right one. So this is very interesting, and we're just going to show you. So we've got the reverse engaged. We're only going to switch on the ignition, and we're just going to hear for the beeps because we have 2 sensors disconnected. The one from the middle, we should hear a long beep, and then after a short break, 2 beeps indicating the second sensor being faulty. In our case, is disconnected, but even if they are faulty, you're still going to hear exactly the same sound. And again, we're going to hear 3 beeps because this central right sensor is defective. So let's see. So first sensor, second sensor. Is that so easy? Because you can pinpoint exactly which sensor is defective. You can either replace it yourself or take it to the garage. And the access actually on those sensors is not too difficult. So I think this is very useful for you to understand and diagnose yourself. Parking sensor problem on Toyota Proace. This one built on a Peugeot platform from 2000, model built from 2017 onwards. Again, a glimpse in the work here in OGS Mechanics, which is one stop for all your vehicle needs. See ya!